Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students of class 1. Hope you all will be fine. Welcome to your math class. Dear student, today we are going to learn about the backward counting and concept of backward counting from 20 to 1. Dear student, I will show you a little script about the forward counting and backward counting. After seeing this short clip, I hope you will understand backward counting. So students, let's see this clip. I hope you will enjoy and understand about the forward counting and backward counting. So let's see.
On the top of the stairs, there is a yummy carrot. So it wants to eat carrot. Now we will help the bunny to move upstairs along with counting the numbers, counting the forward numbers. So shall we start? The bunny reached the first step. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Bunny got the carrot now. Now, what happens? Now, the bunny is at the top, that is upstairs, and the carrot is at the downstairs. So bunny wants to come backward. It went front. Now it will come backward. So now we will do this by doing backward counting. Will you all join with me? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very good. You learn forward counting and backward counting.
So dear students, I hope you will understand now backward counting with the help of this short video. So let's start. Work on copy. Open your maths copies and start backward counting. First we write heading. Students, today our heading is write backward numbers from 20 to 1. Okay, let's start backward counting from 20, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11. Okay, now let's 10, 9, 8, 7, 16, 16 नहीं 6, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay students, our backward counting is completed. Now it's time to your homework, and today your homework is write backward numbers from 20 to 1 and revise table of 2. Okay students, complete your homework and send me in WhatsApp group. Inshallah we will meet in next video. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.